When we started looking back at the most successful innovation efforts we did with our customers, in almost all of these innovations, they followed a similar 4-step pattern. Hack it, prove it, nail it, scale it. Now, this process usually unfolds on an idea by idea basis, which makes it not very scalable. Because, for example, in certain scenarios, for each such initiative, you need to handcraft things like putting together a source data set, doing exploratory data analysis, model training, evaluation, deployment, and so on and so forth, at least in the context of AI solutions. So it becomes a very artisan-like process and doesn't scale very well. To address this challenge, we have built a 5-layer architecture to institutionalize innovation as a practice and to do this at scale. The first layer is the SAP core system itself, which serves as the foundation for the architecture. This is where most of the transactions are taking place and where the source data for the most part is coming from, and also where any innovative applications coming out of your funnel have to integrate back into. Layer 2 is the schema layer. This is where Google Cloud's partnership with SAP and the work that has been done on the Cortex framework is so helpful because it provides predefined BigQuery operational data marts and change data capture scripts so that you can get all of this in one place without having to handcraft every single thing. This also takes the guesswork out of modeling and data processing. Layer 3 is the data layer, which consists of the lakehouse. This layer enables organizations to break data silos and centralize high-dimensional and varied data sets from a diversity of sources into one single unified layer. And it facilitates various different types of use cases across departments. And this is also where the schemas from the Cortex layer can actually be persisted. Layer 4 is the ML Ops layer. This layer utilizes Vertex AI, Google's groundbreaking unified machine learning toolset that helps organizations build, deploy, and manage models faster while building a repository of reusable modules that can be used in future initiatives to scale your AI efforts. And finally, layer 5 is the center of excellence layer. This is where we at Quantiphi play a much more active role and help customers stand up their innovation programs, augment their talent base required to power ideation, engineering, and program management efforts, and prioritize their efforts into an innovation funnel that is designed to maximize impact and reduce risk. This is also where we add governance to manage funding and overall value realization from these programs, so customers can tightly manage their spend and track their return on investment closely. So in closing, what I want to remind the audience is that historically a lot of innovation has been fueled in times of crisis, and it is imperative for organizations to focus on this agenda to stay both relevant and resilient through these tough times. Thank you.